You said Irish potatoes are boring. That is because you have not prepared yours this way. Let me quickly show you how I prepare this particular one, okay? Start by seasoning your oxtail with your choice of spices. I go with my homemade all-purpose seasoning, white pepper, salt, and dry paprika. Toss them around each other to make sure they are fully coated with the spices. Once that is done, in a pan, I added 50 grams of butter. Season with thyme, oregano, bay leaf, and onion. Then add the oxtail. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat. Then flip the other side to cook as well. When ready, take them out of the heat. With the same oil, add freshly grated ginger and garlic, 1 cup of diced onion, stir for a few seconds, then add 1 cup of chopped fresh tomatoes. Stir fry for about 1 minute, then season with all-purpose seasoning, bouillon powder, oregano, white pepper, and white onion. Stir to combine very well. Then add the Irish potatoes and stir. Special shout out to you Teaching Trends watching from New Jersey. I'm glad you love the recipe. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Once that is done, add water to the same level of the potatoes. Test and adjust for salt if necessary. I added salt for the first time. Then cover and allow to cook. Once it boils, add the oxtail because they are not fully cooked. Then cover and continue cooking on a low to medium heat. 15 minutes later, the oxtails are ready. Take them out of the heat. Then add your choice of veggies and a handful of spinach. Use any leafy of your choice, okay? Stir to combine very well. Place some onion and the oxtail. Cover and allow to wheel for another 1 minute. 1 minute later, voila, it is ready. Serve and enjoy. This was one of the best potato recipe I've ever tasted. You need to try it. Thanks for watching. Bye.